So we were editing in Photoshop is an easy task, so we can do that. I will fill up the paints. You can learn from these tutorials how you can use it. So we will find the designs into there. Still we will use the shapes again. I will use the razor tool. Here we will use it. Make the structure. Let's generate the shapes. So we have make a structured shape here.